Morning everybody, High Mileage Rider here, and if you've clicked on this video, you're interested in hearing what are the HWK motorcycle pants and jacket really like. Well, stay tuned and we'll find out. We're back, and I'm going to answer your questions on the HWK motorcycle pants and jacket. But first, why did we want to get these? And I say we because Heath has also bought a set. His are a different color, and I'll show you those in just a few minutes. I was looking for something for spring and fall here in Canada. Today we're out riding and it is plus 4 degrees Celsius, which would be about 32, 33 degrees Fahrenheit. So a little bit chilly, there's wind, we get rain, we get snow, and I wanted something nice and warm, but I didn't want to break the bank. I already have my leather pants that you've seen me riding in, which are great for on trips because the zipper goes all the way up the side, they're easy to get off. But I needed a jacket to replace my Tecnic one that I've had since 2007, and I needed something warm. I was cruising some videos on YouTube, and I came across this new startup brand, I'm going to call it. They might have been around for a while, but they're new to me. And they're on Amazon. They're called HWK Motorcycle Pants and Gear. I will insert some pictures with the specs as far as the materials it's made of, the stitching they use, and all that stuff right here. Now that you've had a chance to look at all the specs, let me just show you what the gear looks like. So this is the motorcycle pants. Lots of pockets on the sides. Zippers that come down for venting. Pockets here, pockets in the back. Another pocket on the side. And of course, we have CE rated armor in the knees and in the hips. The most amazing thing about these pants is they are $40.50. Yes, you've heard me correct. I'm not selling you a used car. These are $40.50 to buy. So they are not going to break anybody's bank. These pants are Cordura, so they are 100% waterproof. They have their version of Gore-Tex lining in them. We've been riding at 120 kilometers an hour in plus 4 degrees and I am sweating, I'm so hot. So they are good for cold weather riding, spring and fall. Now, having not broken the bank on the $40.50, or $40.80, sorry, for the pants, I also bought the jacket. So let's put that on and show you what it looks like. So we have adjustable Velcro for the wrists. We have an inner liner that zips out with lots of pockets for phones, zipper pockets here. And they do hold a Samsung S10 or an iPhone 7 Plus. Zips all the way to the top. There we go. The piping is all reflectorized. The HWK labels are also reflectorized, if that's a real word. Let's just see the back. So there's a zipper in the back to open for venting. Zippers in the front to open for venting. Let's see if we can find these right there. Adjustable on the arms with these buttons if you have bigger or smaller arms. Adjustable with the straps. Adjustable on the sides for straps. 2 pockets here. This jacket is also 100% Cordura. It is supposed to be 100% waterproof. We haven't ridden in the rain yet, but we will, and I'll let you know if it is in fact 100% waterproof. For Heath and I, we generally ride with rain gear because if it's going to rain on us, it's going to rain for 8 hours and we want to be comfortable. The jacket was crazy expensive. It was $83.65. Yes, you heard me correct. $130 for this whole riding outfit. There's a variety of colors. And on that note, let me take the camera from Vanna. And this is Heath sporting the latest. Same pants, different color jacket. How do you find it so far, Heath?
I love it. It's warm as could be.
Warm as could be.
And I'm toasty.
Excellent. So, we'll tell you a little bit about it as we're riding, but it's getting 2 thumbs up from me. For under $130 to get a complete set of riding gear. Oh, I almost forgot to tell you, there is CE armor in the elbows, the shoulders, and the back as well. And it is removable for when you want to wash the jacket. I think that's about it.
Liners? Liners?
Oh yes, and the liners do zip out if you want to wash them as well. That's about it. I would highly recommend this gear. I've got 1,250 kilometers of riding. So say 800 miles of riding in this this gear. It's super warm, very comfortable. The only thing the pants didn't come with is suspenders. I have a bit of a pot belly, so I like to keep the pants up. So I bought some Dickies suspenders, the extra strength ones off of Amazon.ca.com for those of you in the US, and they were $30. So let's say $160 then if you want suspenders for the whole outfit. Anyways, we'll see you on the road.
Okay, so here we are on the road, just to let you see kind of what it looks like while I'm wearing it. So, pants are good. Jacket is very, very nice. Very comfortable, and it's all very soft material inside with the inner liners. There is also an inner liner that you can take out of the pants as well. I've taken the inner liner out only because it makes it a little bit more difficult. I wear these over top of my jeans, so make sure you size up if your plan is to wear hoodies or sweaters underneath the jacket, and or jeans, pants, sweats, whatever you like underneath the pants. Size up 1, I normally wear large, so I ordered extra large, and the sizing is true to fit on their sizing chart. And of course it's Amazon, so if you don't like the color when you actually see it, or you have concerns about quality, you can always send it back. But as I said, I've been driving now for 1,313 kilometers with this gear on, and it's performed just as good as my Olympia gear. I have a Olympia Sports Moto jacket, the high-vis yellow that you saw me wearing in previous year's videos. I got that jacket on sale for just under $300. It was normally $450, and again, this jacket's just over $80. Is there any discernible quality difference I can see between the two? Not so far. I mean, I do have approximately 90,000 kilometers on that other jacket, and it's still as good as the day that I bought it. So I'll let you know in another 88,000 kilometers how this jacket's doing. Again, it's only for the spring and the fall for me, cold weather. In the summer I'll be wearing the Olympia because of course the whole jacket is mesh. It allows for better breathing when you take the vents out in the summertime. But yeah, if you're looking for some cheap motorcycle gear, check out Amazon, HWK motorcycle pants and jacket. Well, anyways, Heath and I are going to get back to our ride because it is a beautiful day. The sun is rising. The temperature's already now up to +6. And we're going to enjoy the day. You should enjoy the day. We'll see you in the next video. Remember, keep the rubber side down and your right hand cranked.